Want to boost your writing speed with Dola AI? Yeah. Whether it's blogs, emails, scripts, or social media posts, Dola AI can help you write faster and smarter. In this guide, I'll show you how to maximize your speed using Dola AI. First, open Dola AI and start a new chat. Think of this as your blank workspace where you'll create all your content quickly. Next, select a writing-focused AI bot, if available. These bots are designed to generate articles, scripts, emails, or posts quickly and efficiently. To write faster, your prompts need to be clear and detailed. Include topic or subject, tone or style, and word count or format. The more precise you are, the better and faster Dola AI can generate content. Create templates for content you write often, for example, weekly blog posts, newsletters, or social media updates. Templates save time because you don't need to rewrite instructions each time. Once your template is ready, reuse it to generate multiple pieces quickly. This lets you produce content consistently without starting from scratch. Even with automation, take a moment to review AI outputs. Make edits to ensure clarity, style, and accuracy. This keeps your writing high quality while maintaining speed. And that's it. Open a chat, pick a writing bot, craft clear prompts, use templates, automate content, and review your outputs. With Dola AI, you can boost your writing speed without sacrificing quality.